Hello students! In this video, let's explore the concept of prime numbers and see what makes them unique. Prime numbers are numbers greater than 1 with exactly two factors, 1 and the number itself. This means they can only be divided evenly by 1 and themselves. For example, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. In contrast, numbers with more than two factors, like 4 or 6, are called composite numbers. Now some prime numbers form interesting pairs. Twin primes like 3, 5, or 59, 61 have only one composite number between them. We also have co-primes, which are pairs of numbers that share no common factors except for one, like 2, 9. A few key properties to remember. 2 is the smallest and the only even prime number. And every positive number greater than 1 has at least one prime factor. Composite numbers can also be broken down into prime factors, like 60, which factors into 2, 3, and 5. To easily find prime numbers, we use a method called the sieve of Eratosthenes, created by the Greek mathematician Eratosthenes. By crossing out multiples of each prime starting from 2, we end up with a clear list of primes. For instance, using this technique for numbers from 1 to 100 gives us a great starting list of primes. Do you know any twin primes? Share your answer in the comments below. The complete curriculum for all classes is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.